this new face of justice, Mr. Speaker, will graduate into what will be the mantra of the Ministry of Justice: first-class justice. Not only facilities, service, but the delivery generally across Jamaica.
Well, this financial year, that mantra will be pushed and backed by a $10 billion budget. So we heard the sound of the gavel following the verdict being made. And what is to inevitably follow is the Justice Ministry pumping more capital into mobilizing its work. A substantial amount of that capital, $453.5 million, will go towards the construction and improvement of courthouses. Specifically, it will complete renovation of the offices of the Director of Public Prosecution and pre-investment activities for the Manchester, St. Anne and St. James Regional Court complexes and the St. Catherine Parish Court. The project started in 2013 and is expected to be completed in March 2021.
Our goal is for courtrooms to be beacons of hope and centers of excellence.
A further decree was made to fund the Justice Sector Reform Program. This project was created to improve access in the justice sector and the treatment of children who come in contact with the criminal justice system. $255 million is dedicated to the renovation and equipping of the Mandeville and St. Anne family courts and the retrofitting of the St. Thomas Justice Center. It will also allow for pre-investment activities for the St. Andrew, Clarendon and St. Catherine Justice Centers and the St. Catherine Family Court.
It's first-class facilities, the beginning of the provision of first-class facilities to be matched by a first-class delivery of service.
And the ministry is still advancing the Citizen Security and Justice Program's work in targeted communities through gender-responsive justice services. Under this program, $232.8 million will be allocated to the Victim Services Division. It's to provide intervention programs for children exposed to violence and trauma and to train court officials and police officers. The money will also be used for the Legal Aid Council, restorative justice, child diversion, and initiatives of the Justice Training Institute.
And I want to thank the Canadian government and the United Nations in assisting us and all Jamaicans as we look forward to a better and peaceful Jamaica.
Through a writ-like action, an assurance was made to provide the ministry with $2 billion and the Justice Departments with $6.48 billion, all under the recurrent budget for this financial year. The ministry's $2.19 billion will assist with executive direction and administration and facilitate access to justice.
We are delivering on that promise. We have made considerable progress, and over the next few years, we expect every aspect of the justice system to become first class. We want and will accept nothing less.